Hello, everyone. Let's keep going. I've already went through all of these exercises up to the 10th one. Okay, up to 10.C. Okay, so right now I'm about to jump onto exercise number 11. So here's the deal. I've got to write a program that asks the user to enter a weight in kilograms. The program should convert it to pounds, printing the answer rounded to the nearest tenth of a pound. I'm hoping people are clear there. Okay, you see, for instance, let me put these as examples right here. God, you know what? I'll simply type them. Okay, hash is used for comments. Okay, so example 1. For instance, a number like 1, 2, 3, 4 will give us 1. If you're rounding it to the nearest 10, it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 0. Why? Because the last digit there is less than 5. Another example. Number like that will give us 5650. I hope people can see a pattern here. Okay, so let's try to implement that. Okay, so first things first, I wanna have a variable called weight in kilograms. Okay, and of course I'm gonna retrieve it from the user. Enter weight. Okay, now that I do have a weight in kilograms, weight in pounds, I'm gonna get that by saying my weight in kilograms multiplied by 2.2. There are 2.2 pounds in 1 kilogram. Okay, so again it goes back to mathematics, which I hope is clear to everyone. Okay, what else do I want? Oh, now we need to retrieve the remainder. It's gonna be weight in pounds mod 10, right? Again, I'm retrieving the last digits on my pound variable. Okay, what else could I possibly be missing? Seems like nothing up to this point. Here's the deal, you guys. Because of the nature of this problem here, it seems like I'm gonna be forced to apply a concept that we haven't yet covered. However, I don't know if you can possibly find a solution which won't include what I'm about to write. That will be great, you guys. Okay, that will be super great. Okay, so here's what I'm doing right here. I'm using if else statement. Okay, so I'm saying if remainder is less than, is greater than or equals to 5, then in that case we've gotta do the following. I've gotta go weight in pounds is equals to weight in pounds I need to add something to it. This is the case like our second example. So here's what I'll do. I'll say, suppose this was 5647, right? I would have to go 5647 plus 3, right, in order to come up with this number here. Now, how am I planning on doing that? This is what I'll do. I'll simply go 10 minus remainder. Okay, so it's gonna be 10 minus 3 plus my current value, which is 5647, which will result on that number there. Okay, now contrarily, we'll get this right. I will say weight in pounds with small letters, of course. It's gonna be weight in pounds. You know, you guys, there's something there I know from my freshman level of study, right? But to be honest, I haven't been applying it as much as I supposed to, and that resulted on me having problems that I could have avoided if only I was able to follow these rules. And that is, you see, when it comes to programming, it's better you sit down with the pen and the paper first before trying to jump onto your IDE, start coding. That is super powerful, you guys. I cannot stress that enough. You know, lately I've been working on this Java simple problem, and it took me a while to figure it out. And you know why? It's because what I did is, from the get-go, I jumped straight to the IDE without having a deep understanding of the problem. Okay. Turns out later on that the problem wasn't that hard, and I discovered that after I decided to forget about my IDE and take a pen and the paper. Okay. Anyways, yeah, you guys, this is in Java. So answer to the nearest 10 is that. Okay. Now let's try to hit the run button and see what we get. This is number 11. Guys, honestly, I'm having a problem, you know. Lately, you see, perhaps this is something that I should make a video on, right? Because it's something that is crucial, you guys. You know, I'm having hard time hosting my websites, okay? And the reason is I do not have enough money to rent those visual private server out there, right? Because the thing is, my websites have a bunch of videos. As you can see, this right here is one of them. Okay, so because of that, okay, as a result, you know what, perhaps it would have been better if I also display the weight in pounds, okay, before converting it to the nearest 10. Okay, let me do that. Okay, you guys, as I was saying, you see, Now I'm having a hard time hosting my website because it has a ton of content, and at first I thought I'll host it on Heroku, which is something you guys out there are probably not familiar with. But at first, basically Heroku is used by people like me in order to host their website, right? However, it is restricted in terms of the storage of your websites, the size of your website, right? In my case, my website is huge. It has a huge storage, so I cannot host it on Heroku, right? Even though Heroku, when it comes to, it has less expenses, to be honest. You only pay for your database usage, right? Okay, because of that, okay, it seems like I'm gonna have to switch from Heroku into some Visual Private server out there, okay, which I'm unable to afford at the moment. So that's why, you guys, I don't know what to do at this moment. Because you know what? I don't want to bother people asking for money or donations or anything along those lines, even though it seems like that's the only choice I have, okay? Okay, yeah, you guys, I know I'm a little bit off the topic now, but I thought you should know. Let's just go wait in perms. Now let me hit the run button and see what we get. So right here we have 167. Okay, again, you guys, feel free to let me know in case I've got a logical error, in case I have a logical error. Okay, feel free to let me know. I don't want people to get this a wrong way, okay? The wrong way, okay? Yeah, you guys, basically not taking care of these numbers. We are only concerned with the numbers that precede the decimal point, okay? So 118 becomes 120. That's gonna be it for this tutorial, you guys. Again, I am no machine, you guys. In case you point out any errors, it could be logical errors or whatever, please feel free to let me know, rather than spreading rumors out there that I'm giving incorrect solutions. Okay, that's gonna be it, you guys. I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.